In this video, we're going to learn how to create buttons filter in Tableau. Tableau offers different types of filters as single or multiple value list, drop-down, and sliders. But it doesn't provide a direct way to create buttons filter as Excel slicers, for example. Let's get started and see how to do this. Suppose we have this dashboard, and we want to create a buttons like these to filter it by year as shown. So let's delete the filter and go to a new sheet to create it again with each other. We will start by creating a horizontal bar chart for the field by which we want to filter our dashboard. In our case, the order year. Drag the order year to the rows field. Change its type to discrete instead of continuous. Then go to the columns field, double-click on the empty space and enter 1. Change the measure from sum to minimum. Go to the View drop-down and choose Entire View. Right-click on the horizontal axis, and press on Edit Axis. Choose Fixed Range instead of Automatic, and choose 1 as our fixed end. After that, hide axis titles by right-click on them and deactivating the Show Header option. Drag the order year to the label field. Adjust its alignment to middle left. And add double space before it. We will make its font size 14. And font type Calibri. And font color to white. And make it bold. Change the bar's color to this one. And set bar's borders color to none. Lastly, we need to go to Format ribbon. And choose Shading. And set the worksheet fill color to none. Then go to Lines. And set all parameters to none. Now, we have successfully created our filter, and want to put it in our dashboard to apply it. On the left side of our dashboard, double-click on the filter sheet, which we named Year Filter. Click on it once more. Go to Layout and press on Floating option. Now our filter appears in our dashboard. Hide the sheet title by right-click on it, and press Hide Title. We will adjust the filter position by making its x-coordinate 15, and y-coordinate 315. Then, we make its width 375, and height 230. And here is our filter. The last step is to click on the filter sign on the right here, to let us use this sheet as a filter in this dashboard. And here we can. If you find this video useful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons to encourage us. See you in another video.